This could be the car for you. The 2023 Toyota Camry. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.